Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. This video is going to be about pennies, lots of them. In fact, I've got the 2018 pennies that I bought on eBay, those came in. These are right here. So this is the Philadelphia mint. This one doesn't have a P mint mark like the 2017s did. So in case you're unfamiliar with that, the 2017 Philadelphia mint pennies had a P mint mark on them for the first time. It was a special commemorative thing that the Philadelphia Mint did to celebrate the 225th anniversary of the mint. Now, I think it was actually pretty cool that the mint didn't announce this before they started producing them. Coin collectors like you and me just started seeing these 2017 P Philadelphia mint mark pennies, and everyone just was kind of excited about it. So I think it's a really cool thing that the mint did to switch it up to celebrate that 225th anniversary. I also think it's very promising for the future because we don't really know what's coming out next. They might have something really cool. They might change up the design and not really announce it to the public. And then me and you, coin collectors who are going through these coins, can be the first people to break it to the public. So this one right here, I've got a lot of coins in the background, so it might be a little bit distracting. But this one right here is the 2018 Philadelphia Mint is on the right, and then the Denver Mint is on the left. We flip it over, same design. Looks to be the same metal content. It's got the shield reverse. Unfortunately, they didn't decide to make a throwback wheat penny. Maybe sometime in the future. All right, so those are the 2018 pennies. Now, someone left a comment recently on my channel asking maybe that I make a big monster video of all the coins that I've got. So I'm thinking about doing that as well, but it wouldn't probably be for another couple of months when I have a lot more free time and I can kind of piece it together, get everything organized, probably spend a few hours filming it, and then probably have to spend a few more hours editing it as well. So that could be in the future, so keep an eye out for that, but not in the next couple of months. So what we have right here and what we have over to my left, so these were all proof sets. So these came directly from the mint as special mint sets. I'm not sure if they were, I think they were proof sets, but they could have been just regular special mint sets. Now what these coins are right here I cut them up into different, each individual coin. So normally they come in a sheet, and you can see they'll have the color of the sheet all the way around it. But what I did was I cut these up into different increments, one for each coin. So that way I could kind of show them off here and I didn't have to deal with the whole bulky sheet. But what I want to focus on this video is the different coloring. Let me get some of these other coins out of the way so we can get a better focus. I've got a lot of them hidden under here. All right, so let's take a look at this coin right here. See the coloring on this coin, and then compare it to this one right here, and then to this one right here. Now they are all the same metal content. This one's a 78, this one's a 73, and the one behind it is a 75. However, this one right here looks a lot more red. So this video is going to talk about the kind of different color designations and why some pennies are worth red and why coin collectors find that really cool. So as you guys probably know, the main metal in these coins is copper. They are 95% copper, 5% zinc. That is for the pre-1983 pennies. Post-1983 pennies, they're 97.5% zinc, only 2.5% copper. So this doesn't really apply to any pennies that were made after 1983. This is just going to focus on the copper pennies. Now what people find cool about these is that the red is an indication that the penny hasn't really worn out. And you might have noticed on different coin videos or in different books or in different articles, sometimes coins will have the RD designation next to their grading. So that indicates that it has the red grading by the coin grading agency, probably NGC or PCGS. Now, why does that turn red? So copper is an element. This information is from the spruce.com. It's an article about copper coloring. So I'm going to read to you some of the highlights from that. So copper is an element with a chemical symbol of Cu. Compared to other metals, copper is soft, malleable, and ideal for minting of coins since it exists great abundance. Pure copper has a bright reddish orange color to it. Unfortunately, copper is also highly reactive to chemicals naturally found in our atmosphere, such as oxygen, water vapor, and various acids react with copper and cause it to tarnish. This oxidation, combined with other chemical reactions, results in its natural bright kind of fading away. The reddish orange generally turns to a brownish color, which you're probably used to seeing in the normal circulating coins. So these coins right here that are the reddish color indicate that they haven't had that oxidization. They haven't reacted to the different chemicals in the environment. So coin collectors, the real wealthy ones, will pay a premium for these coins that have the red designation on them. Now, to be worth a super lot of money, you'll still need to have a coin that's in great condition. Now, unfortunately, as you can see, my coin right here, it's got some bag marks and some scrapes to it. So that happens even though I haven't even taken it out of this plastic encasing. That must have happened at the mint when it was being produced. So a couple of the different designations that you'll see are red with the abbreviation RD. So if you see something that's MS66RD, that's a mint state 66 and it has the red designation. So a RD, red copper coin. A copper coin was first struck exhibits a lustrous reddish orange color. These specimens are prized by coin collectors and carry a value premium over identical coins that are starting to turn brown. Most coin collectors will agree that if a copper coin has retained 90% of its original orange-red color, it will be designated as red and abbreviated with its grade RD. So I verified that 90% threshold for being red on both the PCGS and the NGC website. So they both have that as the designation for being red. So it has to be 90% of its original reddish orange color. Now that difference between 90% and 100%, there's a big price difference there. So each incremental percent above 90 for the Lincoln cent really increases the value of it. So some other designations that you might see are the RB, which is a red and brown. Once oxidation and chemical reactions start to occur on the surface of the copper coin, its color will start to change from reddish orange to brown. This may include some areas of the coin that are approaching a chocolate brown color, while other areas still have some of the original reddish orange color to it. A common measurement is that between 10% and 90% of the original red color remains. This is termed red-brown and is abbreviated with RB on coin grading descriptions. And then the normal one, a one that's less than 10% of the original red-orange, is abbreviated designated BN. So that's just regular brown. When a majority of the coin's surface has reacted to the atmosphere such that the surface of the coin is almost entirely chocolate brown color, this is considered a brown coin and is designated BN on a grading description. All right, everyone, that's kind of the gist of the video that I want to make. So we saw how this one right here is just a reddish color in comparison to this one. Now I'd say this one on the left probably meets that 90% threshold to be designated RD. Unfortunately, it doesn't really have all the other characteristics that you need to really jump up the value of it. All right, we've got this 1978 as well. There's a little color comparison. And some of the other coins, I'll just show them quickly that were part of this kind of mint set that I broke up are some 73s, 75s, 78s, some bicentennials. This is kind of a good look at all the coins that are part of my collection. Well, not all of them, but a good start. Some 78s, more 78s. So there's one of each except for the dollar because the set I bought had already gotten the dollar taken out of it. So they're just kind of piling up now. As a 73 Kennedy half dollar. Maybe that one we'll make a video about later. All right, so we got this pile of coins right here. It's a nice little mound to it. I'll start to wrap up the video. If you guys are into coin collecting, as you guys know, I appreciate the likes, comments, subscribes, all that kind of stuff helps. If you want to leave any comments as far as coins that I should be on the lookout for, feel free to do that. Appreciate any feedback that you guys give me. Best of luck coin collecting out there, and most importantly, have a great day and enjoy the coins you come across. Take care, everyone. Bye.